Hi everyone, welcome to our Tech. What I have here today is the Torvo TD3 4K Dash Cam with front and rear cameras. What we'll do in today's video is an unboxing and go over the specs, features, and in a follow-up video, we'll go through the installation of this dash cam. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing of this dash cam. Here we have the product user manual. Next, we have the front dash cam. And here we've got the pry tool. This is going to be used for shoving the cable under the molding of the vehicle. Okay, and inside this box, we've got the rear dash cam, and we've got a cigarette lighter charger for the dash cam. All right, and this is everything that you get with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front dash cam first. So on this side, you've got the display screen. Okay, so let's swing to this side, and here we've got the power button. Okay, so on this side, we have the Type-C port, which is going to be used to power it. Below that, we've got our micro SD card slot, and then this little port here is where you're going to plug the rear camera into. So let's go ahead and rotate to the bottom now. Okay, let's go ahead and start on this end. So right here we have the OK button, which is used to pause and start recording. And then next to that one, this is going to be the select down and adjust camera display button. This one right here is going to be your select up, turn on and off Wi-Fi, and switch camera view button. And finally, this is going to be the system settings, playback video, and return button. And then on the front, you got the camera lens. So that's all the buttons on this dash cam. Now let's go over some of the specs and features. This camera boasts a 4K front lens with a 1080p rear lens. Advanced WDR technology balances bright and dark areas. You have instant sharing with 5G and Wi-Fi and app control, so you can stream, download, and share videos to your smartphone via the app. So you don't need to take the SD card out of this in order to view your footage. Built-in GPS for smart route tracking, and this will log your route, speed, and location, which in some circumstances might be beneficial and some it could harm. Sharp night vision and 170-degree wide view. The TD3 Car Dash can offer a wide 170-degree field of view to reduce blind spots and capture more of the road ahead. It has a 24/7 parking mode for full-time protection. This feature does require a hardwire kit that must be purchased separately, because as you can see, it only came with a cigarette lighter charger. However, with the kit, the dash cam detects motion and impacts, automatically recording and locking important footage to prevent loss. The loop recording feature saves storage space while capturing every key event, giving you peace of mind 24/7. It does include a 64GB memory card, which we saw was installed, and it can support up to 256GB. It's built tough to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 Fahrenheit. All right, so that was the specs and features for the dash cam. In a follow-up video, I'll go over the installation of the Torvo TD3 Dash Cam. In the meantime, if anyone has any questions about this device, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope y'all have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.